Well, g'day there everybody. Today we've got a master little 40mm 4-pin. I haven't got a key for it. These are excellent little locks for any new pickers out there. I don't normally put them in a vise, but I will today because I don't know what security pins are in them, if there is any, but because it feels like it's got security pins in it, spool pins in it, I'm going to assume it's got spool pins. What you have to do is pay very close attention to the rotation of the plug. If I can get it on camera successfully, or keep an eye on the tension wrench, because that will go up and down as you pick. I got my bloody hands through the tripod here to try and get the best angle I can so you can see. Alright, just keep an eye on the tension wrench and the plug, and I'll see if I can get this and show you. Pin 1, pin 2, there you go. Did you see that rotate then? Now we go back to pin, well, we'll try pin 3. Let it counter rotate, because it wants to counter rotate, so let it. I think it slipped off the pin then. Oh, there it is again. Now we go to pin 4. Again, let it counter rotate. Keeps slipping off the pin. My pick keeps slipping off the pin. Let it counter rotate, and there it is. Open. They're a great little lock for any newcomers to the sport of lock picking, because you get really good feedback. You can, if it's got spools in it, you really feel them with the full sets, you know. Alright, well, that'll do. Thanks for watching that. Hooroo.